in my chest. I'm concerned with this twin.
Yeah, fuck us all anyway for a moment. Cocksuckers we are.